Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MT Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve hard drive errors by using disk check and file system checker. So hard drives are pretty important, and I don't really think I need to go too much into that. But in order to do some basic checking to see if your computer is having issues with the Windows system files, this tutorial will go over a couple different commands you can run that should hopefully be able to resolve some common issues you might be experiencing. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'd recommend do would be to open up the start menu and type in CMD. Best match should say command prompt right above desktop app. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on yes. Now into the elevated command prompt, you want to type in SFC space /scan now. Please note there's no space in between the / and the scan now, just in between the SFC and the /. Once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to enter on your keyboard one time to initiate the scan. This will take some time, so just please be patient. Okay guys, so you can see Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Now, if that did not find anything, I'd recommend trying to run a check disk scan. So that would be to type in chk dsk space, and now whatever drive letter Windows is installed on. Most people it's going to be the C drive, so I'm just going to type a C and then a colon, so one dot on top of another dot, space /F. Now I'm going to hit enter. Now, because Windows is installed on the C drive here, it says file system type is NTFS, cannot lock the current drive. And you can also tell where the path is right here, so you can see C is listed right here, so you just know right off the bat that the C drive is where Windows is installed on. So you cannot run it while Windows is on, so you have to type the Y key on your keyboard and hit enter into the command prompt, and the volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So if we close out of here and we restart our computer, it will begin running the check disk scan while our computer is restarting. Again, this will take a few minutes, so you want to be patient. Okay, so at this point you can just swipe this screen up, type in your computer password here, and that should hopefully be about it, guys. So I do hope that this tutorial was able to help resolve some common system errors you might be getting on your computer just by running a couple different utilities. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.